happens to bad boys? They grow up to be bad men.
Hold on, sister.
In years past, I feel like it's been kind of the same, like different themes, but mostly a lot of the same type of scares. This year, yes, they did use some of the same sets in some of the same ways, but the layout was a bit different. There were some show scenes rather than some scares.
Which I really enjoyed, especially with like the characters from Blumhouse that we've seen before here, but they were utilized in a different way, which I thought was really cool.
Thank you for watching, and thank you to our sponsors and Patreon producers for making this video possible. Hit the subscribe button so the creepy fun never has to end. This is Hannah reminding you to keep it creepy.